Shaheed. Today I am participating on the Little Chef competition and I am gonna make a sandwich. I will show you how. I will open all the things. Vegetables are cut out. They are carrot, cabbage and onion. I will put the vegetables over in the bowl. These are cooked small piece of chicken. See? Now we have to put a little bit of mayonnaise. Now I am gonna mix the vegetables and chickens with the mayonnaise. I mix this evenly. Now I am gonna put a little bit of salt and pepper. I will mix it again. Now You can divide it into the two halves for two people. Wow! Look at my sandwich. It looks so cool and so good. It looks very yummy. Children like to eat this sandwich, and you can have it for evening snack also. Now look at it. Looks very yummy, and look at the flowers.